With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's just start the question. Our question says that what is vaccination? Mention the 4 ways in which vaccines are prepared. Giving the name of one disease for each type of vaccine is used. So here, firstly, if you are talking about our term, that is our vaccination here. So vaccination can be defined as the technique here. It can be defined as the technique, or it can be defined as the practice here of the artificially introduced germs. Here in vaccination we will introduce the artificially we will introduce the germs here artificially, and in here into the body for developing the resistance. Here the main purpose of vaccination is for developing the resistance against a particular disease. Here it will be resistant only a particular or a specific type of disease here. So here this is our vaccination here. So if you are talking about our methods of the vaccination, so our first method of the vaccination is the using killed germs. Here we can generally utilize the killed germs or killed microorganisms or killed pathogens as a vaccine here. So in this process, for example, we can take the example of the here we can take the example of our typhoid vaccine here, our TAB vaccine, which is generally used for typhoid here. This will include the here, it may be include the kill germs here. Second type of vaccine is our using the living here. Second type is our using the living weakened germs. That means we are using the live vaccines here, but that will be weak as compared to the normal strain. Here in this one, here our in this thing, our basically germs will be treated and they will become very weak here. Our pathogen or germs will become very weak here, that they do not cause any disease, and they mainly induce the antibody formation in the body. Here in this type of vaccine, they will induce the antibody formation in the body. So here if you are talking about our example of this type of vaccine here, so we can include the vaccine for the measles here. Our measles vaccine is the using living weakened germ, and other vaccine can be our BCG vaccine. Here if you are talking about our BCG vaccine, so BCG vaccine is generally used for the disease of tuberculosis. Here it will be used for TB, or we can say tuberculosis. Then here if you are talking about our third method, so here third method can be here using the fully virulent living organism. That means we are using the actual strain of the living organism here. We are using the actual strain of our pathogen here, and basically here if you are talking about our this type of vaccine here, so we can take the vaccine for the cowpox. Here our vaccine for cowpox is a fully virulent living germ here, and basically in this vaccination a person is inoculated with the cowpox, and it is very similar to the smallpox which will occur which occurs in the human beings. Then here if you are talking about our fourth method for the vaccination, so our fourth method for the vaccination can be by using the toxoids. Toxoids means we can use the toxins of our pathogen. Here if you are talking about our toxoids, so here basically these are our extracts of the toxins. Here we can say that these will be the extracts of the toxins here, which will be secreted by the bacteria. Here the pathogen organism will be the bacteria here, and basically these poisons are harmless to the human being. Here these will be harmless to the human being, but they have capacity to produce the antibody. They can kill the bacteria, but they are harmless to the human being. So here if you are talking about our example of the toxoid, so we can include the toxin for the diphtheria. Here our here the vaccine which can utilize for the treatment of diphtheria is toxoid vaccine. Apart from this, our tetanus vaccine is also example of our toxoid. So here these are our vaccination and 4 types of the vaccination. I hope this answered your question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.